Hey, everyone. Welcome back to Likeooters, your go-to source for the latest in crypto and tech news. Today, we have some exciting updates from the world of cryptocurrency. KuCoin, one of the leading crypto exchanges, has seen a massive surge in app downloads in India. Stick around to find out what's driving this growth and how you can benefit from KuCoin's new initiatives. Before we dive in, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. We post videos every day, and subscribing helps us know you love this content. And it tells YouTube to keep suggesting awesome videos like this one to you. Alright, let's get into it. So, what's the big news? KuCoin announced on June 6th that its app downloads in India surged an incredible 356% in May. This comes just 2 months after the exchange registered with the Financial Intelligence Unit India, following a regulatory crackdown. Citing Sensor Tower data, KuCoin highlighted that it has outpaced other major players like CoinCX and CoinSwitch. To put it in perspective, CoinCX saw a 26.3% increase in app downloads, and CoinSwitch saw a 15.1% increase. KuCoin has truly become the fastest growing crypto exchange in India. Here's what Johnny Liu, CEO of KuCoin, had to say about this milestone. We are immensely proud to be the fastest growing compliant global CEX in India. This achievement underscores our commitment to providing secure, reliable, and innovative financial solutions to our users. The historic Prosperity Carnival is one way to celebrate this milestone with our community, and we look forward to building and creating more value in the Indian market. To celebrate this incredible achievement, KuCoin is launching the historic Prosperity Carnival in India. From May 14 to August 11, users can participate in exciting campaigns like weekly futures trading challenges and margin events. And guess what? There are amazing rewards up for grabs, including the Redmi Note 13 Pro 5J, cashback, and airdrop. But that's not all. To attract even more users, KuCoin is offering a special bonus. Starting from June 6, new registrations will receive 2 USDT as a bonus. Plus, complete your first trade and get an additional 2 USD. So, why is this important? This surge in app downloads and the subsequent celebrations reflect KuCoin's dedication to its user base and the growing interest in cryptocurrency in India. It's a sign of the times crypto is booming, and platforms like KuCoin are at the forefront, making it easier and more rewarding for users to dive in. In conclusion, KuCoin's impressive growth in India is a testament to its commitment to innovation, security, and user engagement. If you're looking to get into crypto or enhance your trading experience, now is a great time to check out KuCoin. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech updates. See you in the next video.